Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to delete the history of the videos you watched on Facebook, meaning all the videos on Facebook are saved on your Facebook, and in this video we will explain how to delete all the history with the click of a button, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Thank you very much to everyone who supports me, and I thank everyone who subscribed to his channel. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to our Facebook account. After that, we click on the profile icon, then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. After that, we click on Settings, then go down and search for the activity log or your activities, then click on the activity log. After that, this interface will pop up. We scroll the bar above here and search for the videos you watched. After you find the videos you watched, click on them, and here you will find all the videos that you have previously watched on Facebook. Now all you have to do is click on Clear History of your video views, and you will be able to clear all the history with the click of a button. If the history is somewhat long, it will take some time for all video history to be cleared. Canada Today's video topic. I hope you have benefited. For any inquiries or suggestions, write them in the comments. I entrust you to God, who does not lose his deposits.